The city of Key West is trying to figure out what to do with Duval Street. You might think it's working just fine as it is, but the city of Key West is going to have a workshop next Wednesday to get public input about how to change Duval Street. This has been talked about for a long time here in the city of Key West. I remember probably about 10 years ago seeing a very futuristic mock-up of what Duval Street might look like. Just 2 years ago, even, they're hired this firm, and so to move forward, and now 2 years later it hasn't really done anything. So next Wednesday you can go and share your input. You can listen to see what people are thinking about, but what they want to do is change Duval Street from one side of the street where the building ends and meets the sidewalk to the other side. So that would affect all things on Duval Street, such as drainage, lighting, the way that the cars move up and down the street, landscaping, deliveries, all sorts of things. So will this ever happen? They've been talking about it for a long time. It seems like there's funding there. There's federal grants that are in place, and the city of Key West apparently has money pouring out of their coffers that they're willing to spend some money. So this should be interesting to see what happens here. So stay tuned and we'll take a look.